This exercise is called a single leg bridge. So for this exercise, you're going to be laying down on a flat surface like a table or a mat or the ground or your bed. So you're going to go on your back for this one. You're going to start with both of your knees in hook lying position. So that's with your hips and knees bent up about 90 degrees. For this exercise, the key is that one leg is doing most of the work. So for the leg that's not doing the work, you have two options. You can bring your knee straight up in the air like so, or you can bring your leg out in front of you into a straight leg raise, which would also get this leg working in this position. So for purposes of this exercise, I'm going to do it just like this. So for this exercise, with my straight leg raise here and my leg here, I'm going to engage my core. I'm going to keep my back flat. My hip is going to be in line with my foot and my knee and my ankle, and I'm going to lift my body weight up, hip right up in the air, and bring that hip to the level of the knee. And then I'm going to come straight back down. Again, up, straight back down. The other option would be up, straight back down. This option is a little easier because you're not doing a straight leg raise on this leg. So this kind of relaxes the leg a little bit so you can get up a little bit higher and not be focusing also on the other leg. But both are great options. And you'll repeat.